Hey, Tim is off today, and I figured I'd have the day off. I've been spending most of the morning watering some of the plants around the Ask Away labs, like this one. It's a succulent. Doesn't require a lot of water, which is why it's good that I remembered to water it today. It's the first time in a few weeks. But instead of get the day off, we got a letter, and I can't not answer a letter. It's just not in my DNA. So let's take a look. Dear Tim and Tyler, help me. Ooh. I am learning my multiplication tables and I can't remember the nines facts to save my life. Do you have any tricks to help remember the nines multiplication facts? Great question. I just so happen to have... Did somebody say nines multiplication facts? Well, yeah. I have got just the trick for you. Check this out. This will make multiplying by 9 a breeze. What is 1 times 9? 9. Bingo. Hey, why'd you write it with a 0 at the beginning? You'll see in a minute. Let's keep going down the multiplication table. What is 2 times 9? 18. Good. And 3 times 9? 27. 4 times 9? 36. 5 times 9, 45. 6 times 9, 54. 7 times 9, 63. 8 times 9, 72. 9 times 9, 81. 10 times 9, 90. Do you notice any pattern? It's a lot of numbers. Is that a pattern? No. Look at the tens digit of each number. Hey, the tens digit each time is 1 less than the number that we multiplied by 9. Good. What else do you see? Oh, and each time they increase by 1. Yep. And what about the ones digit? Do you notice any pattern on the ones digit? Oh, they decrease by 1 each time. Bingo. Now, watch what happens when we add the number in the tens column to the number in the ones column. Let's look. 0 plus 9 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. I'm seeing the pattern here. We're going to get 9 each time, aren't we? Let's look. Oh my goodness, we get 9 each time. So here's the trick. Take the number you're multiplying by 9, subtract 1 from it, and you've got the tens value of your answer. Find the difference between 9 and that number, and you've got the ones value. For example, if we're solving 7 times 9, take 1 away from 7, which is 6, and that's the tens value of your answer, 6. Now, to find the ones value, subtract 6 from 9. What do you get? 3. So your answer should be 63. 6 in the tens, 3 in the ones. If you don't believe me, check on a calculator. 7 times 9 equals, you guessed it, 63. If you want to check your answer, which you always should, simply add the tens value and the ones value. In this case, 6 plus 3, and it should equal 9. That's how you know you got the right answer. Nifty trick, huh? That's fantastic. That's going to help me remember my nines times tables, and I hope it helps you remember yours. But in case you don't like that method, I got one more trick for you. Tim taught me this a long time ago, and it always helps me remember my nines times tables. To do it, you need your fingers. All right, now it's my turn to ask the questions. First, how many fingers do I have? That would be 10. Yep, that would be 10. Now, whenever we do a nines multiplication fact with our fingers, we always start counting over here on the left, okay? And I'm going to count, let's say our multiplication fact is 9 times 1. I take the number I'm multiplying by 9, in this case 1, and I count that many fingers in. 1. Well, that's my first pinky finger, and I put that finger down. Now, how many fingers do I have left up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Bingo. The answer to that question, 9 times 1, is 9. And I have 9 fingers left. Let's try it with 9 times 2. Remember, we start counting from the left. We go 1, 2. We put that second finger down. Now, how many fingers do I have up before the finger I put down? 1. Good. Now, how many fingers do I have up after the finger that I put down? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 8. Well, if we put the 1 in the tens place and the 8 in the ones place, that gives us 18. 9 times 2 is 18. Ooh, I like this trick. Let's try it one more time to make sure it works. Let's do 9 times 3. We're on a roll. Let's keep going. 1, 2, 3. Put my third finger down. Now, how many fingers do I have up before the finger I put down? 1, 2, 2. Good. Remember, that's going to be the tens digit of our answer. And how many fingers do I have up after the finger I put down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be 7. All right, remember, that's the ones digit. So if 2 is in our tens digit, that's 20, and 7 are in our ones digit, that's 27. 9 times 3. Hey, that's a pretty cool trick. And it works for each nines fact all the way up to 9 times 10. Listen, Ty, that's a great trick, but I got one small problem with it. Well, what? What's the problem? Well, I don't have any fingers. I hope that answers your question, because that's all we've got for today's episode of Ask Away. Just to prove that you have it down pat, I want you to try to solve these 2 multiplication problems using both methods. Use the puppets method for problem number 1, and use my method, the finger method, for problem number 2. Good luck!